So we've just hit 10,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, so I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's watched my videos and supported the channel by hitting that subscribe button. I make all these videos to help you guys out with your van conversions, and it's taken about 4 years to hit that number, so I'm really pleased that you've hit that number in the end. But today I'm going to be giving a giveaway to say thank you. So you've got a Jackery Explorer 240 and also a pretty much brand new bag from Matador, which is the Free Reign 28. So giving that away to a lucky winner. So yeah, let's spin the wheel of fortune and find out who the winner is. Thanks to everyone who has entered the competition. Let's find out who the winner is. As you know, the more times you commented, the more times you entered. Some people have got more than others. And the winner is Jordan Raymond 50. So there you go, Jordan Raymond 50 is the lucky winner of the Matador Free Reign 28 backpack and also the Jackery Explorer 240. So Jordan, if you contact the channel and let us know where you are, and we can get these sent out to you, and you can enjoy them in the future. But yeah, thanks very much everyone for hitting 10,000 subscribers. Let's go and hit 20,000 subscribers and maybe do a bigger giveaway next time.